Hi, this is Danny. Welcome to this week's functional movement lesson. I'm here in the Dojiva studio where you can get online videos for your fitness, for flexibility, for postural health, for meditation and mindfulness practices, relaxation practices, and everything to do with living a healthy and long life. Today's focus is about posture. What not to do and what to do for round shoulders. So we sometimes end up like this, whether it be from driving, computer work, feeling shy, feeling uncomfortable, many reasons why we may end up with a flexed upper back and rounded shoulders. Even working out can cause this. And we may be told, shoulders back. All right, has that helped much? Not a lot for my back, not a lot for my neck. So rather than shoulders back, how about we just tap here? Join in with me. Just feel your upper ribs. Have a bit of a tap around here. And it's this section, this area of your body, and I encourage you to move forwards and upwards through space. Bring your right foot forwards, soften your body, come through, breathe in, and let this space rise. And then just come back and relax. Go into the flexed position, go into rounded shoulders. Embrace that, because this happens sometimes. Come forwards, push the ground away, rise up, breathe in. Let this area float up, forwards and upwards. Relax back down, neutral, flex, perhaps change legs. Come forwards, connect to the ground. Shine the torch light. If there was a headlight here, chest bone, rib cage shining up. Breathe in, ease back to center. Let's perhaps do one more on this side. Come through, tap if you want to, rise up, breathe in. Here we are, here I am, here you are, here's your posture. Just ease back into the center. Okay, let's check in for a moment. Close your eyes briefly, notice your posture. And open again. Very simple lesson, very quick session. Rather than bringing your shoulders back, how about, even in gait, you just have the image and the subtle embodiment of leading from here, of letting your integrity come through from this place, as opposed to with our gait and our life often, we look down, we kick the legs out. Let's lead more from our integrity, from our heart, from our posture. Okay, thank you for joining in and listening to today's mini lesson. I have a free 10-day trial for anyone watching this video. It's in the link below, and you can try the Dojiva online studio for 10 days. I hope to see you there, and take good care. Bye for now.